heat pump.
That's the HVAC Collab.
I can't see down there very well. I'm gonna take some pictures.
Here's this one, 2-ton,
Take it here.
1999, I think. Pretty dirty. This has been running. It's warm. That's a big spider web. Here's another heat pump caution paper. If I don't get blown over by the wind. Another 2-ton, 1999 too, I believe.
I was about to ask whether this is obviously
4-blade Linux. Yes, energy guide is gone. Careful. This is running. Those are some big spiders. Well, now we got this big Runtru.
Look at that
Fat unit.
That's the only disappointment right there.
This thing is big. Make sure I don't walk into the spider right there. Oh, that thing is actually terrifying. If one gets on me, I'm booking it. That's all I'm saying right now. I got Runtru.
I'm gonna literally cry after I get that.
Oh, I'm running. I'm not coming back. There's a light.
Stamp thing has an LG scroll in it.
Suckage. Suckages. Here, LG.
Data on this.
Yeah, where are they?
Can I have a data sheet?
Is it?
Like frame.
What is a heat pump? That's a massive reversing valve too.
This is practically brand new.
Here's the valves. And here's the data right here. Some good, and then also 4 blades. I'm so scared.
Dude, this would be awesome to see. Yep. Mind if I do?
Neo Linux. There's the data.
Nice
Nope.
sticker for it.
Right here.
Lazy. Really good. Oh, perfect. I just dropped the logo in the unit. Someone's gonna see that later. I wonder how.
And there's the Ameristar data. Is there a logo on this? Oh yeah, I already showed it right there.
Tickets and everything.
I'm still recording. So there's no scooters. Oh yes. Don't be rude. Got that Copeland scroll. Have a nail.
Rude, guys.
Want a nail? I'm not gonna put it in the road. Oh yeah, it's a good 4-blade? Yep, 4-blade. It's got a scroll. Data's on the other side.
I could use my power shot, that takes me to
Oh no, I'll say I'm playing it. Alright. Ooh, almost fell. Whoa! Whoa! Got a Goodman and a Rude. There's a heat pump. It's got a Copeland scroll. There is a prime mattress right here. Got a Rude. And I got low data. I got this rattly thing. Looks like something fell and got chopped up in it. This side, I don't think this is on all the way. I'm not sure though, I could be wrong.